let's talk about the anti-aging skincare and kids. So Alex Lee, a member of the Californian Assembly, has introduced a revised bill that, if passed, will prohibit selling of the anti-aging skincare to the kids or teens under 18 years old. So there have been a lot of discussion whether it's good or bad, whether we should, as regulators, put a ban on this, or whether it's the companies, the manufacturers that produce that skincare need to worry about what they put on the label. So it is very controversial. So in my opinion, we should not be selling anti-aging skincare to the kids. Not teenagers, not kids. Teenagers, the main thing they have is usually acne, and they can go to their pediatrician or dermatologist, and then dermatologist can recommend appropriate skincare that they can use. And then together or with parents, they can buy that. What's happening now though, that a lot of the generation Alpha, which is my kids, so it is age 0 to 11, that they are so obsessed with skincare. It is the number one generation that spends the most on skincare. Obviously, it's not them, it's their parents, but they are the ones that beg their parents. So my 9-year-old, she just begs me for, when we go out, the main thing is Sephora. Please, let's go to Sephora. Let's check Sephora out. And even if it is just a lip balm or lip tint or anything, she just wants that. But usually she wants some kind of skincare. So we can talk. I have nothing against skincare that is super gentle for kids' skin. So they have few ingredients. Usually it's some petrolatum, usually it's some glycerin. So it is super moisturizing and really kind of nourishing that gentle, beautiful, glowing skin barrier, skin that the kids have. Their skin rejuvenates, it's full of collagen, it's firm, it bounces back. So all they need is really, in the winter months, or when it's super dry, that hydrating, moisturizing, few ingredients skincare, no harsh ingredients, just a very gentle base. And of course, they need an SPF, because that, when you go in the sun or when you go not in the sun in the winter, it's still, there are rays and that can damage your skin, whether you are 0 months old or whether you're 100 years old. So I'm all for that. But anti-aging skincare that usually can contain vitamin E, vitamin A, which is retinol, which is super dangerous. It's even contraindicated when you're pregnant or when you're breastfeeding. So it's usually alpha hydroxy acids that are used for, acne prone skin or super oily skin. So it's very, very, very abrasive to any kind of skin. Sensitive skin, it's abrasive to my skin. So imagine a 9-year-old or 8-year-old or even 12-year-old using that skincare, where they have that beautiful, gentle skin still going on and rejuvenating. Basically, it breaks the barrier, it damages the barrier, sometimes irreversibly. So what are we doing? By the age of 20, their skin will be damaged, and then they will need to use all this anti-aging and nourishing and 5-step, 10-step skincare routine. So obviously we don't want. So I am all pro appropriate education in terms of the skincare and the kids, what they should or should not be using, and education to the kids and especially to the adults, right? Because many adults also don't understand what anti-aging skincare means. And if it's good for them, they think it's good for the kids. I'm not sure if the ban, if you can tell Sephora, I'm banning you from selling the skincare to kids under 18-year-old. That for me is a bit problematic, because it's a lot of problems, right? Their parents can buy that skincare for them. Their older sister or brother can buy it for them. Their friends can buy it for them. So if it's banned, they will want it more. And the TikTok and Instagram will be full of those influencers who will be telling how great it is for you. And if it's banned, it must be good for you. So I think 2 things. Number 1, education. Education is important to the kids and especially to the parents. That's number 1. And number 2, the manufacturers of that anti-aging skincare should be putting something on the label, something like not advisable to be used in kids under 18 or something like this. I think it should be controlled that way, so when a parent or a child picks up that tube of skincare, they can look, and it needs to be in not just fine print, it needs to be at big bold letters, and they can decide, do I really want this? If a manufacturer does not advise this, probably not, and they will put it back. So that's my opinion. I think education is the most important, and the manufacturers should take responsibility. I don't think imposing a ban for a retail store will do much good.